You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word in British English and American English. The British English pronunciation in the UK is as hero. Yes, there is a little subtlety there. Hero. There's a short sound after the E sound. Hero. Hero. Can you hear it? In American English, there's no such sound. It's simply hero. So essentially you could say it as hero. But be aware that it's also often pronounced, especially in the UK, as hero. Hero. Could you hear the difference? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.